Hello and welcome you all. Today in this video, we will be doing some questions based on exercise 2.1 of our chapter 2 relations and functions. So our first question for today is, if A is equal to minus 1 comma 1 in closed curly braces, then find A cross A cross A. So as I have told you in the last video about how to find the Cartesian product of two sets. So in this type of question, first we will find A cross A. Now as you can see in the Venn diagram that our Cartesian product of A cross A will be equal to minus 1 comma minus 1, minus 1 comma 1, 1 comma minus 1 and 1 comma 1 in closed curly braces. And now we will find the Cartesian product of A cross A with set A, which is minus 1 comma 1 in closed curly braces. So from here we get A cross A will be equal to minus 1 comma minus 1 comma minus 1 and then minus 1 comma minus 1 comma 1, and similarly minus 1 comma 1 comma minus 1 and then minus 1 comma 1 comma 1, and now 1 comma minus 1 comma minus 1 and 1 comma minus 1 comma 1, and at the end 1 comma 1 comma minus 1 and 1 comma 1 comma 1 in closed curly braces. And now our second question for today is, if A cross B equal to A comma 1, B comma 3, A comma 3, B comma 1, A comma 2, B comma 2 in closed curly braces, then find A and B. So according to the question, we know that in cross product A cross B, A, which is equal to set of first element, and according to our question, the first element in the ordered pair will be A comma B in closed curly braces, and now B, which is equal to set of second elements. So according to our question, the second elements of our ordered pair equal to 1 comma 2 comma 3, and as we know that while making a set, the elements can't be repeated. And now our third question for today is, let A is equal to 1 comma 2 in closed curly braces and B is equal to 3 comma 4 in closed curly braces, then write A cross B, and how many subsets will A cross B have. And now we know how to find the Cartesian product of two sets. So A cross B will be equal to 1 comma 3, 1 comma 4, 2 comma 3 and 2 comma 4. And now to find the total number of subset, which is equal to 2 to the power mn. Here m is equal to number of elements in set A, that is n is equal to 2, and n is equal to number of elements in set B, that is n of B is equal to 2. So therefore total number of subsets will be equal to 2 to the power 2 into 2, which is 2 to the power 4, and 2 to the power 4 is equal to 16. So their total number of subsets are 16. And now our fourth question for today is, the Cartesian product of A cross A has 9 elements, among which are found minus 1 comma 0 and 0 comma 1. Find the set A and the remaining elements of A cross A. Now according to our question, we know that the Cartesian product of A cross A will be equal to minus 1 comma 0 and 0 comma 1 in closed curly braces. And with these ordered pairs, we know that first element of minus 1 comma 0 is minus 1, and this minus 1 will belongs to set A, and the second ordered pair, which is 0 comma 1, here first element, which is 0, and it is also belongs to set A. And now the second element of the ordered pair 0 comma 1, here second element is 1, so this 1 is also belongs to set A. So from here we obtained our set A, which is equal to minus 1 comma 0 comma 1, and now number of element in Cartesian product of A cross A will be equal to 3 into 3, so this is equal to 9. Now we have to find the remaining elements of A cross A. So first we will find the total elements of A cross A, minus 1 comma minus 1, minus 1 comma 0, minus 1 comma 1, and then 0 comma minus 1, 0 comma 0, 0 comma 1, and then 1 comma minus 1, 1 comma 0 and 1 comma 1. So in A cross A, minus 1 comma 0 and 0 comma 1. So according to our question, we have to find the remaining elements of A cross A. So we will eliminate two ordered pair, which are minus 1 comma 0 and 0 comma 1. So the remaining elements of A cross A will be equal to minus 1 comma minus 1, minus 1 comma 1, 0 comma minus 1, 0 comma 0, 1 comma minus 1, 1 comma 0, 1 comma 1 in closed curly braces. And now practice this question, mention on your screen and submit me the solution. Thank you so much. This is the end of this video. Have a great day ahead.